Okay.
So this is paper of 2023. Okay, CBSE 2023 paper. What do they want
Yes.
us to find out? Calculate the cash flow from investing activities and
And
calculate cash flow from financing activities. So
yes.
before to this, I should know what is investing activity.
Yes.
Tell me what is investing activity.
Purchase and sale of goods, non-current assets,
Non-current assets. And
purchase and
about
sale,
this financing activities.
financing, loan share given,
Okay, financing is issue of shares and loans and
issue of share.
and also the interest on debentures.
Yes.
Interest on debentures paid. Can you give me the
Given
two effects of interest on debentures paid?
two effect.
Hmm.
Mm, two effect. No, I don't know.
Hmm?
I don't
One
know.
is it is financing activity, right?
Yes.
Interest on
Yeah.
debentures, the first effect of
Yeah.
this is financing activity.
Yeah. Investing activity, dividend, yeah. Received, I
Interest
think.
on debentures, I am asking interest on
Uh,
debentures.
interest.
Two effects of interest on debentures.
Uh, Operating activity? Is it an
Yes, video
operating?
on karo. Yeah, one is it is financing activity outflow.
Yes.
Another is that it will go in operating activities.
Inflow.
You have your non-cash, non-operating expenses. In that it will
Oh,
be added.
okay.
Okay, this you should know. So this is 2023 paper that we are discussing, a sum on cash flow that has come last year only. Let's
Uh,
read the sum. Yasir, please read the sum.
yes. Madhav is young entrepreneur. On 1st April 2019, he founded a partnership firm with two of his friends, Mohan and Sohan. They started their business of exporting dry fruits. Their business was successful business. Now they wanted to expand the business in many other countries. For meeting the financial requirement, they changed the form of business organization and former Madhav Limited. The balance sheet of
What is our requirement? What do they want us to find out?
investing activity and financing.
Financing activities and investing activities. Financing activities would be in the equity and liability section. Are you with me?
Yes. Yes.
And investing activities would be over here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Come on, let's read. Share capital. First, we will see which is our last year, which is our current year.
Okay.
Now, share capital. What has happened, Anas?
It has increased 10 lakhs.
It has increased 10 lakh. Share capital, which activity?
Investing activity. No, financing activity. Financing.
You don't remember like that. Remember, equity and liability section, whatever is there is financing. Asset section, whatever is there is investing.
Okay.
So this has increased. This is which activity?
Uh, Financing activity.
Increase of share capital. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is with the reserves and surplus?
Reserve and surplus has
Reserves and surplus
increased.
is always used to find out the net profit before tax and extraordinary items.
Yes.
But do I have to do that now?
No.
Do I have to do that now?
No,
No,
ma'am.
because they want only financing and investing. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever they give you reserves in surplus, your first duty is go and find notes to accounts if you have to make the full cash flow.
Okay.
But I don't have to make the full cash flow, right?
Yes.
I'm avoiding. Come on. Non-current liability, 10% debentures. What is happening?
Non-current. It is increasing.
It is increasing by how much?
Uh, 1 minute. 9 lakh.
So it is 1250 now and it was 350 before.
Yes.
So 0, 10 to 2 with 3, 7, 8, 9. So it is increasing by 9 lakh, right?
Yes.
Which activities?
Financing.
Financing activity.
Yes.
It is increasing by 9 lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whenever debentures is there, with that always will be what?
What? Yes.
Whenever you have debentures, along with that, there will be one more thing which is complementary.
Uh, capital. Com. Security.
Interest on
No.
debentures.
Yes.
Which activity?
Interest on debentures.
Which activity?
Interest on debentures.
Which
Sure.
activity?
Financing
Financing.
activity.
Sorry, financing.
Financing activity outflow.
Okay.
Yes.
But you have to always see in additional information if the debentures are issued on the last date or mid of the year.
No. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Over here, have they given you any date for interest on debentures? Check in the additional information. This is for the asset.
Yes.
They have directly given
Interest.
you interest on debentures. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. One
So
lakh
interest
twenty-five
on
thousand.
debentures is directly given financing activity outflow.
Okay.
Any other thing do you see related to financing activity?
No, ma'am.
Bank overdraft will be cash and cash equivalent. We will see this. Short-term
Okay.
provisions we don't take into consideration and trade payables. This is changes in working capital. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So this comes in which activities?
Operating.
Operating activity. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anas, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Come on. Let's go ahead for assets. Tangible asset.
Yes.
What is there?
It has increased.
It has
20.
increased.
Yes.
Now you have to see the provision for depreciation. Have they given you the provision for depreciation
Uh,
separately?
yeah. Additional information,
The additional
depreciation.
information they have given us separately. Now,
Yes.
two things. What you can do is you can prepare whenever the asset is there, you have to prepare the asset account, right?
Yes.
Your net book value is given. Yes,
Yes.
net book value is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost is given to us separately.
Yes.
Depreciation is given to us separately.
Yes.
So we will prepare two accounts. One is our asset account
And cash flow.
at costs,
Mm,
and one is our accumulated depreciation.
okay.
Are you with me, Anas? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Now, do you know the format of
yes.
asset account? Opening balance which side?
Opening
Debit
credit,
side.
debit,
Closing,
debit, credit,
purchase,
Debit.
And sales?
Credit.
Credit.
Very good. How about accumulated depreciation? Opening balance,
Credit.
closing,
Debit.
current year depreciation,
Uh, I think it's credit side.
current year depreciation, and
Credit side.
depreciation of assets sold
Depreciation of assets or credit.
on
Debit
the
side.
debit side. Depreciation of assets sold on the debit side. I hope you know this.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I hope you know this. Come on, let's see. Plant and machinery. Opening balance is how much? 25 lakh. Please make a
25 lakh.
please make along
Okay.
with me. Closing balance is how much?
44.
44 lakh.
44.
So I have just put information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Unless are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Accumulated depreciation. Opening balance how much?
Yes.
Accumulated depreciation. Opening balance how much?
Opening balance is 2 lakh 50.
Closing balance is how much?
Uh, 4 lakh.
4 lakh. Anas,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
read this information and tell me how will I trade this information?
Part of machine costing 125 accumulated depreciation, herein being 50,000 was sold for 45,000 during the year.
Machine costing how much?
125
So it is sales, right?
lakh.
Which side I will record?
Um, it will be
Credit side.
credit side.
Credit.
Accumulated depreciation of assets sold how much?
50.
50,000. So which side I will record?
Debit.
Debit.
Asset is sold for how much?
45,000.
What
Asset sold is which activity?
assets sold? It's investing activity.
Okay. But remember here I'm making asset account at cost because I have been given the cost separately.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So come on,
Yes.
tell me, can I find the asset purchased?
Asset purchased. Uh,
This is 44 and this is 125.
yes.
So the
41,
total will
125.
become
Uh,
45 lakh 25,000.
yes.
45 lakh 25,000.
2 lakh.
45 lakh minus 25 lakh.
20 lakh 25,000.
So you will get 20 lakh 25,000.
Yes.
Which activity?
It's investing.
Investing activity. Are you with?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now what will I do?
Uh, now we have to
I have
create
to
cash
make
flow.
investing activity. Cash flow from which activity?
Investing activity and financing.
Start. Make.
Okay, ma'am.
Anas, make.
Yes, 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 yes.
Cash flow from investing activity.
Cash flow.
And cash flow from
Financing.
Anas will give me. Come on, Anas. What will you write in investing activity?
मैम इन्वेस्टिंग पे हम लोग like, मैम assets.
Hmm?
You did assets.
Assets. Na? So what will you write? We've discussed the full sum. Now tell me where
Yes.
is investing activity?
And the first one is this sale of machine.
Sale of plant and machinery. How much?
45 or what will
Yes,
45.
45,000. So this will be your first investing activity. Come on. What else?
Next,
Then,
yes, sir.
yes, that mentioned.
This one.
Then
Tang, right?
purchase of machinery. Ma'am, purchase of machineries.
Purchase of plant and machinery.
Yes.
Did you make the working note for purchasing the machinery?
No.
No.